If you've purchased your domain name and your hosting from different companies, you need to perform a simple operation to essentially link the two together. In this lesson, we'll take a look at how to link your domain with your hosting. Okay, updating your hosting account. Depending on who you're using for your hosting, you might be prompted to enter your domain name when you first sign up for hosting, like they do at HostGator. Or you might be allowed to purchase hosting without having a domain name first up, like we do at Affiliarama Premium. If you don't tell your hosting provider your domain name when you've signed up, you'll need to log into your hosting control panel, or whatever your particular hosting company calls it, and add that domain. If your hosting is already aware of your domain name, this will usually appear in the welcome email they send you, and so you can skip this particular step. Now, updating your domains. Log in to the Domain Administration panel. The address should be in the email from your domain name provider, and look for a section that talks about DNS, or Domain Name Servers, or nameservers. Delete the current nameservers in the boxes, and replace them with the two nameservers provided by your host company. You should have two nameservers. Now click Save or Update, and simple, you're finished. It can take anywhere between 20 minutes and 48 hours for these changes to filter their way through the internet, a process known as propagation. So you won't be able to access your website through your domain immediately. You'll know when it's finished because you'll be able to type your domain name into your browser and more than likely encounter a "This page is under construction" sign from your hosting provider. If you want to start uploading things to your website before it's propagated, you'll need to use the IP address provided by your hosting company, or you can sit tight and just wait. Here's a little extra. What are nameservers? Well, the nameservers basically keep a record of the association between your friendly, easy-to-remember domain name, for example, www.greatdomain.com, and the nasty, long, hard-to-remember IP address, which is where your website actually is stored, for example, http://74.53.88.17/XYZ. By specifying your nameservers in your domain control panel, you're telling the domain to ask your website host about the real location of your website, all in a hidden and automatic manner. The nameservers you enter will generally follow the following format of these examples, usually ns1 or nameserver1.yourwebhost.com and ns2 for nameserver2, this and the same. Of course, your real nameservers will be in the information from your hosting company, most likely in your welcome email when you've signed up, or possibly in their help system. Now let's have a look at some additional resources. To save some of this hassle, we've automated this process for our Affiliarama Premium members. With an Affiliarama Premium membership, you can host up to 15 separate domain names with us. And this is what you get with each domain: disk space of 2 GB, traffic of 75 GB, 10 subdomains, 10 email addresses, 10 MySQL databases, and 10 FTP accounts. Alternatively, HostGator also provides some nice instructional videos for changing your nameservers. These are at www.hostgator.com/dns.s for Sam HTML. They have specific videos for a number of different registrars, and it doesn't matter if you are not using HostGator for your hosting. The process is still the same. And let's have a look at today's lesson summary. Linking your domain from one place to your hosting in another place is actually a fairly simple process, and usually there are support tutorials available from both your domain and hosting providers. In short, all you need to do is first locate your nameserver information, then log in to your domain control panel, update the nameservers to your host's actual nameservers, save, and then wait until the propagation has completed. And that's us for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.